I think without openness, NFV just simply won't exist because NFV is all about creating flexible multi-vendor networks.
Openness breeds collaboration, and really that is how we will converge on these technologies and converge to best practices and converge to realizable, deployable solutions with NFV and SDN infrastructure.
Well, I think openness is one of the fundamental principles here. Openness is really about creating possibilities that just don't exist in a proprietary dominated world.
Well, for service providers, openness really provides a means for those that are developing NFV frameworks or those that are using NFV frameworks to really create some innovation.
Moving from proprietary specialized hardware to proprietary software solutions, you won't gain anything. So openness is really the key to the intended benefits.
In networking, when it's open, it'll involve quicker innovation, tighter integration with the components, and will give you a better security.
Well, we're building the next generation of the service providers' mobile networks, and that is where all the growth is today. So it's having transformative effects on how they're going to play in mobile and mobile services.
For NFV, we are accelerating our CSP's move from hardware into the software domain via our VNFs, which run in their NFV infrastructure.
We're primarily a provider of virtualized network functions and with a focus on IP multimedia communications. So we enable network operators to stand up complete IMS solutions like VoLTE in a totally virtualized environment.
It's in being the middleman in virtualization, in accelerating the virtualization layer on all fronts, on compute, on storage, on networking, so that the VNFs can fully benefit from the various hardware. So we are the middleman to accelerate all components.
Radware was really early to market in terms of both SDN and NFV commercial products. So for NFV, we have a virtualized appliance for an application delivery controller, and that application delivery controller runs on commercial off-the-shelf NFV hardware. It's also able to deliver speeds of up to 160 gigabits per second. So the benefit of that is time to deployment of new services is really time to revenue.
Mellanox is an NFV infrastructure vendor. So basically, we bring high performance server and storage interconnect.
So Wind River provides a software infrastructure platform which we call Titanium Server, which enables the service providers to maintain the level of reliability with the services that they're providing to their customers that customers have traditionally been given to expect on telecom networks, which are inherently very reliable.
So Brocade provides the best of breed VNFs for virtual routing, virtual application delivery controller, virtual web application firewall, virtual EPC, virtual network analytics, and probe information. These are architected in a superior way that they provide high performance and high scale, and that manifests for an end customer a very superior return on investment.
We try to complement the NFV infrastructure. So we address the solution for the customer side with a dedicated hardware and software platforms. And this would allow to extend the NFV up to the customer side, putting it's not only the data center, but also to run virtualization on the customer side as well.
Our role in the ecosystem is that Cosmos brings traffic understanding and visibility up to layer 7. And this is a key concept and the foundation for all the benefits that the service providers are looking for in new virtualized networks.
F5 provides a broad array of virtual network functions within the ecosystem, and we also provide purpose-built solutions so service providers can build hybrid networks as well as evolve their NFV architectures leveraging a broad array of VNFs, if you will, which supports a multitude of different use cases.
I personally like very much the people in HPE, so it's pleasure working with them. So we have a lot of business relation with the people of HPE worldwide, and it's really a pleasure working with them.
Mellanox has been partnering with HPE for quite a long time. We have a very solid OEM partnership where Mellanox NICs are integrated with HPE's server and storage products. Mellanox also views HPE as a key NFV leader that embraces openness.
We really like the HPE OpenNFV program. It's a great program right in line with the historical shift of networking towards automation, towards components and openness. So that's the place to be.
It's important for all vendors that are part of these ecosystems to participate with open standards and with as many partners as possible. So being part of OpenNFV is going to help a vendor like F5 realize some of the solution benefits that a service provider, our customers, want to ultimately deploy.
Well, HPE's OpenNFV program is extremely valuable to Wind River because it allows us to collaborate with other partners that they've selected for their NFV ecosystem to make sure that our solution works correctly and optimally, with theirs. So it's very important for us in terms of being able to provide end-to-end solutions to HPE's customers that are as optimized as possible.